Hello and welcome to Let's Cook with Shohini. So, what's cooking in my oven today? It's the 3 ingredients lockdown cake. Just 3 ingredients to bake a cake? Are you serious? Well, yeah, you just need 3 ingredients to make this lockdown cake. So, this lockdown cake has gone viral over the past few days all over the internet. So I decided to bake a lockdown cake as well. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of my very own lockdown cake. And here's the ingredients. You need 2.5 cups of grounded chocolate chip cookies. I used the Chips Ahoy chocolate chip cookies. 1 cup of whole milk. 2 teaspoons baking powder. Grind the cookies into a fine powder. You may use any grinder that you have or even a food processor to grind or process the cookies into a fine powder. Now check if there are any chunks of cookies remaining in that powder. Transfer the grounded chocolate chip cookies in a measuring jar and take out 2.5 cups of grounded chocolate chip cookies from it. You just need that much to bake the cake. Take a mixing bowl and mix all the ingredients together. Now can you see that? It looks so much similar to the dry ingredients you use while making the cake. Well, yeah, even cookies contain the same ingredients: flour, sugar, baking powder, so it's just like baking a cake. Now, after you make the batter, you will notice that it is a little bit grainy. So, do not overbeat it, but use the electric hand mixer at the lowest setting for just 10 seconds to smoothen the batter. Make a springform cake pan ready. I used an 8-inch springform cake pan. You can use any other cake pan you want. Grease it and line the bottom with parchment paper and pour the batter in. Just look at the texture and the consistency of the batter. It is so thick, dense and chocolatey. Super yum. Now level the batter well and put it in the oven and let it bake for 22 to 25 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep checking the cake. The crust should become brownish and you will know that the cake is almost done. Then take out the cake and do the toothpick test. Poke it with a toothpick, and if the toothpick comes out clean, you know that the cake is done. Turn the cake on a cake board and peel off the parchment paper. Now you can see that the cake is so soft, and this is also the flat side of the cake. So we are going to frost this side. Now this is my homemade chocolate ganache. For the recipe, just stay tuned. I'll be sharing it shortly. Now you can use any kind of frosting to frost this cake. Buttercream, whipped cream, cream cheese frosting, just any kind of frosting. I used the chocolate ganache frosting. You can use any kind of edible decorations on the cake. I used the sprinklers. Now, let me tell you something. Don't compare this cake to the regular cakes that you buy from the market or you bake at home. This is a lockdown cake that you're making from cookies. So, the texture and the flavor will be a little bit different. The baking times will vary with respect to the cookies you use and the quantity you use for making a cake. So do not compare this cake with the regular cakes. This cake will taste just awesome but the texture will be different and the flavor will also depend on the taste of the cookies. Refrigerate it and have it after some time and just see the difference. It will be so super chocolatey and so yum. Now let's check how the cake has turned out to be. Well, you can see it has baked very well. Look at the texture. Wow. So there's your lockdown cake. Look how soft it is. Enjoy the cake. Like, share and comment if you like this recipe. Please subscribe to my channel. I post videos every week. Thank you for watching.